Thiko ya kere guku bururi-ini muini wa nyimbo cia reggae Glen Washington nioritie mbeũ njithi mahimbirie thayu na urumwe na mekirire gukuria taranda ciao niguo kwigacirithia miturire-ini.
If you must clean.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi, Glen augite thayu na urumwe ni itugi cia bata hari uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
Feeling to be home, because I feel home. I remember the first time Bingy brought me here. I still feel emotional about that, man. I saw people that I thought I knew from somewhere, you know, come back home, being away, like prodigal, come back home to visit my family again.
Glen uri guku bururi-ini ni undu wa ndumo ya Africa Bound Summer Fest ya gukungwira miaka 40 ya gikundi gia gutugiria nyimbo cia reggae na ini ya reggae nioritie mbeũ njithi mahimbirie taranda ciao, akiuga nyimbo iri na uhoti wa kunyitithania na kuiguithania muingi.
Never give up, especially when you got something that you know can make people feel better. Just keep doing what you're doing, stay with it, keep doing what you're doing. God will bless you.
Hado-ini hake mwambiriria wa gikundi gia Shashamane International Papa Bingi nieranĩire ũgitĩri wa kũigana kũrĩ arĩa magekinya igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ rĩrĩa rĩgakorwo nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC tarĩki 19 mweri ũyũ.
I'm going to have security and like 3 layers of security even before you get to the gate or even before you get inside. And inside, also inside the venue, we're going to have a lot of security, police, bouncer, guards, everybody, you know. So at least if you come to the show, you know, just make sure that, you know, believe that you're gonna be safe.
It will never end, last forever. Music that can bring us all together, uniting the people in one unity, one love. I would like to see each and every one come out, tell your friend, go out, tell a friend that don't know about this thing, tell them, let them all come out and have some fun, serious fun, musical fun, because the message is in the music, and there's a good message for everyone, positive message.
Rumweno iharĩrĩirio kwa ũnyitanĩri na kambuni ya Media Max ĩrĩa nĩyo nyene kambuni cia Kameme TV na K24 TV. Hado-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.